I'm not naked, y'all. There's a shirt.
Okay, we're starting off by just blending some whoa, why is it so loud from my headphones? Whoa. Okay, so we're just gonna blend out some foundation with a damp beauty blender. Now we're going in with some concealer, and we just want to conceal under the eyes, a bit around the nose, on the chin, anywhere where there's any discoloration, and then you're going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender as well. Did I bring down the powder? I didn't even bring down the thing that I needed. Hold on.
Not ready.
Every time! I think I have everything ready, and then it's like, no. Now you're just going to set the foundation with a loose setting a loose setting powder. I can't speak. Okay, so the first half of this tutorial is really just everyday makeup. You're just gonna contour now. I didn't do it very heavy in this one. I mean, it looks a little heavy in a minute, I think, but you just contour as you normally would. And if you don't contour, then that's fine too. But look at me. Look how rough I look right now. For whatever reason, the name Godric Gryffindor came into my head there. I don't know why. My head just went Godric Gryffindor. I think I'm tired, Nina.
I'm so tired.
Now I'm highlighting the cheekbones, and I had the perfect highlight for this from the Moonchild palette, but then I realized I was actually covering it up with prosthetics, so it kind of turned out to be a little useless. But if you're just doing the dragon, like the makeup part of this, go ahead and highlight away.
My gosh, he's after my feet again.
Yeah, I told you he has a foot fetish. Now I'm filling in the eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil that I got from the Face Shop. It's just a similar color to, well, it's actually my shade. But our hair is pretty similar at the roots when I don't dye it, so I think it works.
I thought we would... Your cat just moved the thing.
Jinx! Quit! Go away!
That we'd prefer to...
Jinx! I swear to God, I'm gonna put you in the room with... Now I'm using an eyebrow gel to fluff up brows and give them a fuller look. I don't remember where I got this one from though, so I know I ordered it online, but I don't remember where from. Now I'm taking a light shimmery purple on a big fluffy brush and putting that on the inner half of the eye, but above the crease instead of in the crease or on the eyelid. Now I'm taking a flat, fluffy brush, I don't really know what this is called, but I'm taking a deep purple and putting that on the eyelid and blending it up into kind of a triangle shape up to the temple. Now I'm doing the same thing but with an even darker purple, but in a smaller radius.
So supportive.
Hey, I am supportive. I'm telling you, you're gonna be okay.
You're telling me I am fine.
Jinx!
Oh my god.
I am so close to locking you away in the bathroom. Wait there. No, he seems happy now. Once you've added some purple under the eye as well, you want to add the mascara and any false eyelashes that you want to use. We didn't actually bring any false eyelashes this time, so that was a bit of a mistake. But that's okay because you can learn from my mistakes. Now I'm using a small round brush to line the lips with the navy lipstick that I have from Kat Von D, and then I'm going to use the applicator to fill in the rest of the lips. Now I'm adding a bit of a purple matte lipstick from NYX to the center of the lips and then blending that out just in the center. Here I'm planning out where I want to put the prosthetics. I made these myself using fake nails that I cut into the shape of scales and put glitter on, and then some cotton and latex to stick them together. And then you want to put Pros-Aid where you want them to stick and let that go tacky.
This is the glue you're still probably picking out of your ear.
Yeah, every so often I'll get a little bit still.
Once the Pros-Aid is tacky, you can take the scales and press them down firmly to attach them.
Okay, now let's blend those really crappy edges in.
The biggest mistake I made in this look was I made the edges of the prosthetic too thick, so now I have to blend them out with some cotton and latex. So just laying down a bit of latex, putting some cotton over top, and then more latex over top of the cotton and blending that in. Now I'm taking a palette knife with a bit of latex on the end and using that to help blend the edges into the skin.
While that's drying, I'm making the rest of my iced tea if you want it.
What's your type of iced tea? Is it sugared?
Yes. If you don't like it, I'll drink it. So
Oh, I brushed my teeth not that long ago, but it is good. What's the date?
the 18th.
Yeah, I can claim my reward. I can show you all the new Pokemons.
Yes. I mean,
Well, the ones I've caught.
do I need to update my game?
No.
I think something about a raid. Do you know anything about raids?
Yeah.
Because something about a raid just showed up and I exited out of it. So I don't know if that's something you're
It's
interested in.
just there was supposed to be a bunch of Mewtwo raids today, but it's being postponed because there's an issue with Pokemon Go apparently.
Well, I didn't know if you were gonna have to take off to go do raids.
I was gonna do it this afternoon.
Oh wait. Well,
Hey, I want a Mewtwo.
Once the latex is completely dry, I dust a little bit of the contour shade over top to deepen it. This helps it blend in better with the skin. Now set the latex with a little bit of setting powder. I'm going over the latex with some foundation on a small brush and blending that into the skin. Now add some more setting powder over the foundation you just put on. Now I have to remove any makeup from the area that I want to put the jewels on. Once the jewels have been carefully removed from their wrapping, you press them firmly to the cleaned area. By the way, I'm leaving a link to Jewels by Son's Instagram, which is the company I got these from, and also I got the glitter that I put on the scales from this company as well. I highly recommend.
try not to get your baby hairs too coordinate. Too late. Didn't work. I failed. Sorry. Yeah? Well, here we go. My hair still looks ginger sometimes. That's what happens when you dye your hair ginger. Look at my cute little boy.
I look just dead ass naked.
Perfect! It's a great way to get views.
Now I'm doing the same thing I did with the prosthetics and the jewels on the face, but on the chest. Adding some to the collarbone and then the center of the chest.
There? Oh, I don't want to have too much of your boob in it.
That's fine.
I'd be like pressing on your boobs. Yeah, your boobs.
Well, that's where it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
Here I'm just adding a little bit of a cream highlighter to the nose and then the inner corner of the eyes.
Goodbye, Benji.
Are you really not gonna come? There we go.